Hi, this video will show you how to use the Holistics Drill-Through feature to explore additional data within the same report or dashboard or across to other reports or dashboards containing the relevant fields and data you want to explore. This allows you to focus on details specific to the fields you want more information and data on. For example, I have some dashboards here that segments my revenue from customers by country, city, product category, gender, and more. Drill-throughs allow me to explore and go deeper into any combination of these data dimensions in detail. I'll now show you how to set up our drill-through feature. In this example, I want to drill through to focus on the data for a single country in this dashboard. Notice that when I click on a country, the option to drill through is not available yet. To enable a drill through, select the filter settings for the field you want to drill on, such as country, and enable the drill through setting. You'll see from the icon next to the filter that drill-through settings have been enabled, and you can now refresh this dashboard. Now, when I select the country I want to drill on, I can drill through and select the same dashboard to view only my selected country in a pop-up. With drill-through enabled, now any dashboard using this country filter will be able to drill through to this target dashboard. We explain how to add filters from datasets in our other guides if you need help. I'll now show you how to drill through to a different dashboard that uses the same country filter. In my second tab, I have a dashboard for sales revenue that also includes the country filter. However, as you can see here, the second revenue dashboard is not available in my country drill through options yet. To allow the previous dashboard to drill through to this dashboard, I just need to enable drill throughs in the country filter setting here. Now when I refresh my first master dashboard, the option to drill through to the second revenue dashboard appears in the list. This is how you can use the Holistics Drill-Through feature to easily drill into data specifics for the fields and dimensions your team needs. Get in touch with us at holistics.io to find out how you can fully set up your team's analytics workflows and data stack in minutes using Holistics Data Platform to fully leverage your data. See you soon!